our very first mukbang.
I have a pizza! Pizzati! Pizzata! Ba, 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 ba,
Guys, we
ba,
got pizza from Dino's Pizza. It's the best pizza. Ooh, look at that thing.
It's delicious.
It is delicious. I can eat this. Not this one. Okay.
Now let's eat it.
1, 2.
This is good.
And oh yeah, guys, I just graduated from 5th grade and I'm going to middle school.
And I'm gonna make, what's in my, wait.
Nice feet.
And 3 more days. It's your birthday. How old are you gonna be?
4.
Yeah.
What's your birthday gonna be about? What are you doing?
It'll be yo-yo.
She loves JoJo Siwa.
Why do you like her so much?
Cause
Why? Oh. The pizza has pepperoni and sausage is so good. How's the pizza
and
cake?
cheese.
A lot of cheese.
A lot of cheese.
I don't know what I'm gonna do for this summer, but I'm gonna always get to the best places, so it must be really good. Reckon? Where you think? The beach? I'm going to the beach. Oh, go.
To the beach.
Ocean Blue Wiz. Oh.
That's just nervous. Can I say that again? Can I say that again?
I'm gonna say that's gonna be the last time she ever flies. So. And guys, we just moved to a new house. We're gonna do room tours really soon. My room with Paris and Kiki is. Say what's yours?
Yo-yo Siwa.
Oh my Jojo Siwa, isn't it? You have all the Jojo Siwa. Your room's Jojo Siwa. You could be Jojo Siwa.
What do you mean?
What do you mean?
I don't know, but
Is it good, Kennedy?
yes.
What it tastes
I don't
like?
know how I can deal with her. She's just very crazy.
You crazy, Kennedy?
Are you excited for your birthday?
You got a big one. You excited for your birthday? Hey. As y'all can see, Kennedy is the
Crazy one.
greedy one.
Now, the funny ones.
Oh, you the funny one.
No, you're the bad one. This is serious.
What are you eating now, Court?
I'm eating this cheese that I don't want to put a lot of sauce on it though.
Oh no.
There you
It
go.
broke. It broke.
What broke? Cause you took everything, all of it.
Ah.
We just love pizza. Like any other pizza, we don't really like that much. But this is our favorite pizza. Well, Marco's is good too, but
Oh yeah, Marco's pizza's good too.
yeah, but this is really good.
It is. Can I have channel?
Oh yeah, this guy was really
Bye.
You're done already.
Not me.
I thought you wanted to talk about your birthday.
Oh yeah.
So we're gonna
So
have
you
a
just-
whole.
You're gonna have a bounce house.
And I'm gonna buy you something really good.
Can you buy me fake food?
Fake food.
She likes the fake food toys.
Why? I don't even like people like Jojo Siwa stuff.
I'm gonna go if you want that too.
That made me be broke. We should do all bit about Kennedy being funny and bad.
Mm.
Is it?
So Courtney and Kennedy wants a dog. What do y'all think? Do you think they deserve a dog? Yes or no?
I do. She doesn't. She doesn't know how she doesn't have responsibility. I do.
She doesn't know how to be responsible.
I'm very responsible.
I need to go about it. Nah.
Kennedy, you want a dog?
I want a really big. I want a King Carso. My dad said you can get King Costco and it's gonna be huge, so.
And I don't like food costs.
What? Everyone has a King Costco. It can protect the house. Cause we live in, well, I never really good, but like, still need some protection. And I know it's gonna be in the house. Oh, I'm saying no.
Kennedy, do you want a cat or a dog?
Yeah, kind of.
Sorry for all the cat people out there. They're just
So you don't like cats, Ken?
I hate the kind of flash.
I mean, they're really cute. They're just really mean.
Yeah.
Sometimes. But I love
Uh-huh.
spiders. Oh, spiders are so good. I love tarantulas, but what else? Wolf spiders. What are you doing?
Courtney's adventurous. Courtney likes all kinds of stuff.
I like
Chinese.
Oh, I like.
Oh, speak some Chinese, Courtney. Say, I need to go to the bathroom.
Okay, to the floor. Sometimes I get to like the last part messed up. Like, yeah, I just how you do it.
Say something else.
Ni hao.
Say mom.
Mom. Mom.
Say. No, say the other words that you say in Chinese. Y'all, she can actually write it too.
Yeah, but they're right. A lot of times.
She's such a smart kid.
What are you doing?
Eating sausage.
Kennedy.
Are you full?
She's never full.
I'm full.
So coming up in the next few weeks, we're going to go on vacation.
Oh, yeah.
And Courtney and Kennedy has no clue where we're going. It's going to be so fun. I'm going to set up a scavenger hunt. And they're going to have to search and try to figure out where we're going.
Well, I want to go to Hawaii or the Bahamas. Because I want to go to the islands. Gucci is where we're going. Yeah, I really want to go to so fun. Where do you want to go, Ken?
I want to go to
Australia?
Minecraft.
Oh, I want to go to Australia.
I'm going to Minecraft.
Minecraft.
That's a
So I guess that's a wrap. Because Kennedy wants to get back to her game.
So,
So-
Mukbang, please give it a bell.
And
Subscribe.
subscribe.
And hit that bell because every time we leave a
Bye.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you watching. Thank you.
We're gonna have more videos uploaded weekly. Kennedy, can you stop it? No, thumbs up.
So
Thumbs down.